Welcome to Go Realty Go Properties Vacation Rental How-To channel. This video doesn't have any pre-staged delays, therefore please use the pause or back options to move this tutorial at your own pace. The scope of this video is intended as a quick tutorial for vacation rentals and simply focuses on how to adjust the EcoBee Smart Thermostat modes and temperature set points. We're going to cover the 4 modes. Normally a thermostat is set to a specific mode, cool or heat, for the duration of a cooling or heating season. However, it can also be set to auto, cooling and heating for transition seasons like spring and fall. Or the system can simply be turned off during periods of vacancy, which we do not suggest in areas where temperatures in the winter drop below freezing. Okay, let's get started. If you haven't already, touch the EcoBee screen to move through the prompts with us. Please keep in mind, depending upon the mode the last guest used, your view may vary. We're going to start with a scenario that the guest prior turned the unit off to save power. If this is the case, tapping the temperature number in the middle of the screen, in our case 73, will not prompt you for additional inputs. To select a mode, look for the icon at the 12 o'clock position, top of the screen. In this case, the icon states off. Tap the icon and select your desired mode. In this demo, we're going to work from the top down, selecting heat. The screen will refresh. Now you can select by tapping the current temperature, in our case still 73, and the screen will display available set points highlighted in orange. You can scroll up or down, or use the plus or minus icons to set the desired temperature. Tapping the number will set the temperature set point and prompt for the duration the set point should be held. Personally, we tend to use the 4-hour hold time. The cool mode steps are simply a rinse and repeat of the heating mode steps. We'll run through this real quick as well. Select the mode icon at the 12 o'clock position, currently aflame, select cool. The screen will refresh. You can select by tapping the current temperature in the middle of the screen. In our case, this is still 73, and the screen will display the available set points highlighted in blue. Select your desired temperature and the hold time. The auto mode, which is represented by a mixed icon of half snow and half flame, is a combination of the 2 modes, cooling and heating. The cool set points are represented by blue and the heat set points are represented by orange. Keep in mind the auto mode has a forced minimum gap of 5 degrees between the cool and the heat set points. This prevents quick cycles between the 2 modes. This concludes our quick view of the EcoBee Thermostat tutorial. If you need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to the local host that's listed on your local reservation. Hopefully this tutorial helps get you situated for your stay with us. Thanks for watching and enjoy your stay.